Hi, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to check if you have Windows 10 on your PC step by step, so you know exactly what version you're running. Step 1. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then open Settings. Settings is where you can manage all your system preferences, updates, and security options, which makes it an important first step. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. This section allows you to manage Windows updates, security features, and recovery options, helping ensure your PC stays safe and up to date. Step 3. Select Windows Update from the options on the left-hand side. Windows Update is where you can see the current status of your system updates and check which version of Windows is installed. Step 4. Click on Check for Updates. This will prompt your PC to scan for the latest updates, and it also confirms the version of Windows your system is currently running. Step 5. Look for an option showing whether your PC is eligible for an upgrade. If your PC can be upgraded, you'll see a message here. If not, you'll know it's time to plan for a compatible device or upgrade path. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.